There's a mountain shadow pointing straight at the center of a rainbow, and it's not a coincidence. Both of them are aimed at the exact same invisible dot in the sky. That dark wedge spreading across the valley below, it isn't just a shadow, it's a perfect geometric arrow, and it's aimed at something. The shadow tapers to a sharp point right at the horizon, and whatever is sitting at that point is pulling both the shadow and that entire rainbow arc toward it like a magnet. The question is, what's there? Nothing you can see. That point on the horizon is where the sun used to be. It's called the antisolar point, the spot exactly opposite the sun from where you're standing. Here's the thing about rainbows most people don't know. The center of every rainbow arc is always locked on to that antisolar point. Always. The rainbow you see in the sky is actually a circle, 42 degrees wide all the way around, and its bullseye is that invisible dot. From the ground, the Earth blocks the bottom half, so you only ever see an arc. But up here on Smith Peak in the Plumas National Forest, the photographer is high enough that the rainbow nearly closes into a full ring. Now look at the rocky summit right of center. There's a fire lookout, some antenna equipment, all of it glowing orange in the last light of July 13th. This is where someone stood and looked back toward the setting sun, then turned around and saw this. The shadow of the whole mountain behind them, fanning out across the forest below, tapering to that same point. The same geometry that locks the rainbow to the antisolar point also locks the shadow there. Both are perspective effects. Both point home to a sun that's already gone below the horizon. Two things that look totally unrelated, a mountain shadow and a rainbow, secretly share the same anchor point in the sky. One is made of light, bending through water droplets. The other is just the absence of light. And yet on this one evening, from this one ridge, they lined up perfectly. Makes you wonder, how many times has this happened with nobody standing there to see it? We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.